If your transmission is starting to bang into gear or you feel the engine revving up while the car barely moves, your vehicle might be trying to tell you something with a P2736 code. This specific code means there is an open circuit in the transmission pressure control solenoid designated as solenoid EFF. In modern automatic transmissions found across America, the powertrain control module uses these solenoids to act like gatekeepers for hydraulic fluid. They open and close to direct high-pressure fluid to the right clutches and bands at the exact right millisecond so you get a smooth shift. When the circuit for solenoid EFF stays open, the computer loses control over that part of the shift process. You will definitely feel the symptoms, which usually include harsh shifting that feels like the car is being hit from behind, the transmission slipping between gears, or even the car falling into a limp mode where it stays in one gear to protect itself from damage. You might even see your fuel economy drop because the transmission is struggling to find the right gear for your speed in miles per hour. The causes are often related to the condition of your transmission fluid. If the fluid is old, dirty, or full of metal shavings, it can clog the solenoid or the valve body. Of course, it could also be a simple electrical issue like a broken wire or a loose connector on the outside of the transmission case. To start troubleshooting, check your transmission fluid level and smell it to see if it has a burnt odor. If the fluid looks like dark ink instead of bright red, that is a huge red flag. You will need to use a digital multimeter to check for continuity and resistance in the solenoid circuit. Normally, you want to see near 0 ohms of resistance. If the circuit is open, you will get an infinite reading. The most common fix is a fresh fluid and filter change, but often the solenoid EFF itself needs to be replaced. If your car is banging into gear, do not wait. Internal transmission damage can happen quickly, and turning a simple solenoid swap into a multi-thousand-dollar rebuild is a mistake you want to avoid. Take it to a shop if you are not comfortable opening up the transmission pan.